We are going to be looking at a simplistic example of how DNA is transcribed into RNA. To start with, we need to start with a strand of DNA, which we know is double-stranded, and here we see a strand of DNA. We have the base pair rules, T's with A's, A's with T's, and C's with G's all the way down. However, in order to take this strand of DNA and turn it into a strand of single-stranded RNA, the first thing that needs to happen is the hydrogen bonds that exist between these base pairs, they need to separate. So the bonds are broken. Now we only use one strand when we are making our RNA strand. All right, so we'll still follow the base pair rules, except when we make RNA, the nitrogen base T, it does not exist. It is replaced by U. So when we make our RNA strand, anywhere you would want to put a T, you would end up putting the uracil base instead. So making my RNA strand, I will still have A bond to that T. I will have U bond to this A. I'll have a G bond to the C, a C to the G, G, C. I got an A, so I can't put a T, so I got to put my U. A, G, U, A, C, G, U, A. Now I've made my strand of RNA, and that RNA strand right here, it is now free to leave the nucleus. It can go out to the ribosome, and then it's gone. However, the DNA strand, now that it's been used as a template to make that mRNA strand that we just looked at, the hydrogen bonds reform, and the DNA goes back together.